All right, the question is fit question is fit a linear regression to the data below. Where is the data? This is the data, x and y. All right, so we should fit a regression line to this data. So how are we going to do that? Let me write it. All right, so how are we going to do it? Remember that the regression formula, we have yt equal to b0 plus beta 1 xij plus ej, right? Remember that. But b1, that is this, b1 is equal to sxy over what? Sxx. If you can remember, b1 is equal to xxy, and b0, which is this, is equal to y bar. So what we are going to do, this is the model, the regression model. So what we are going to do is we are going to find b0, we are going to find b1, right? So to find b0 is just summation of y all over the number of y. How many is y? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 12. So b0 is just y bar, which is summation of y all over total number of y. But the problem is in b1. b1 is sxx over what? Sxy. So this sxy, this xxy is equal to what? What is xxy? xxy is equal to summation xy minus summation x times summation y all over what? All over n. But sxx is equal to what? What is sxx? sxx is equal to summation x squared minus summation x all squared all over what? And let's watch. If you know this, that means you are through, you are done. Just know that this is the model, that b0 is y bar, that b1 is sxy over ssx, that ssy is equal to this, then ssx is equal to this. And if you know this, that means you are through, we are done. All right, so let us go to the solution proper. Let's go to the solution proper. So this is the question. We are asked to fit a regression line to the data below, or regression model, so to say, to the data below. So how are we going to do it? How are we going to do it? We're going to do it like this. This is the solved data. This is x, this is x squared, this is xy, and this is y squared. If it is needed, it's not needed, but if it is needed, this is y squared. So x squared is 20 squared to give you this, 20 squared to give you this. That's how we got all this. All right, y squared is 8.4 squared to give you this, 9.3 squared to give you this. Now xy is just 20 times 8.4 is this, 22 times 9.3 is 204.6. 24 times 11.8 is 283.2. That's how we got this column. So the same thing, y squared, you square everything here, you get this. You square everything here, you get this. This time this will give you this. This time this will give you this. This times this will give you this. That's how we got these columns. So let us sum all of them, because normally it's the summation that we are going to use and solve whatever we need to solve. All right, so this, let us first of all count this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That means our n is equal to 12, right? So if n is equal to 12, that means we can get y bar, which is summation y over n. But we are coming to this. All right, so this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this plus this, you can still verify, is 372. So summation of y, this plus this plus this plus this plus this, is 166.4. Summation of x squared is 12104. Summation of xy is 5419.60. And summation of y squared, if needed, is 2435.14. So that is it. So let's start. B0, which is equal to summation y over n, which is equal to y bar, right, is equal to, this is y bar is equal to 166.4 over what? 12, since n is what? 12. So we have gotten B0 already, which is 13.87. Good. So the next one, do we need x bar? Yes, we do. X bar is summation of x all over n, which is equal to summation of x over n, which is equal to 372 over 12, which is equal to what? 31. So we have gotten this. But we've gotten B0. Let's get B1. B1 is equal to SXY over what? SXX. But we have not gotten SXY. We have not gotten XSX. So first of all, let us get SXX. Remember that SXX is equal to what? Summation x squared minus summation x all squared over n. That is for what? For this, right? So SSX is equal to summation x squared. This is x squared. Summation of x squared is what? 121 what? 04. What is this? Minus summation x is 372 all squared all over n. Remember that n is what? 12 all over 12, right? So what are we going to have? We'll have this 12104 minus this squared divided by 12 will give you 11532. So the answer is 572. So we have gotten SXX. So let's get XXY. Permit me to write it up here. So let me draw a line here so that I can demarcate it. So SXY is equal to what? If you can remember, SXY is equal to summation XY minus what? Summation X times summation Y all over N. Very simple. So XSY will now be equal to summation XY. This is XY. Summation of XY is this one. So it will be 5419.60. This is what? Minus summation x 372 times summation y 166.2 all over n 12. So we'll have 5419.60. So what is this? Minus. Okay, this is 166.4. Can you see it here? 166.4, not 0.2, 0.4. All right. So this minus this. So this times this divided by 12 will give you 5158.4. All right. So this minus this will now give you 2. To get B1, remember that B1 is what? SXY over what? SXX. Have we gotten SSX? Yes, see SSX. SXX is 572. So B1 will be equal to SSX is what? 572. Have we gotten XXY? CXXY. CXXY is what? 261.2. So B1 is equal to 261.2 divided by what? 572. That will be giving us 0.4566. So we have gotten our B1. B0, if you can remember, we said it's Y bar. And our Y bar, where is that? Our Y bar. See our Y bar. Y bar is 13.87. Y bar is what? 13.87. So this is B0 and B1. We have gotten it. So now let's look at the fitted model. The fitted model is now an estimate, which is Y estimate is equal to B0 estimate plus what? Beta 1 estimate bracket X minus X bar. All right. So let me write it in full here so it won't look confusing. B0 is Y estimate is equal to B0 hat plus B1 hat bracket X minus what? X bar. All right. So having gotten this, we will now substitute. So in substituting, remember, in substituting that Y ij is, what do we get for B0? B0 is 13.8 what? 7. All right. B0 is 13.87 plus, what do we get in B1? B1 is 0.466. 4566, sorry, 0.4566. all right. So look at it. B0, where is that? B0, B1, I mean to say B1 is 0.4566. so now X minus what? X bar. X bar is 31. X minus 31. So Yj is equal to, let me write this thing clearly, is 13.87 plus 0.4566 X minus 31. I hope this one is clearer because of this one is clearer. So what else are we going to do? If you get here, what are you going to do? You open this bracket. Let's open this bracket. So how are we going to open the bracket? We have Yj to be equal to 13.87 plus, right? This 0.45 times x will give you 0.45x. Now 0.4566 times 31 will now give you 14 point something. So let's open the bracket. 0.45 times x, 0.4566 times x will give you 0.4566 what? X. All right. So 0.4566 times minus 31 will give you, let me write it down, will give you minus 14.15 what? 19. So this is not true. So when we reach here, what we are going to do is we are going to collect terms. We are going to collect like terms. So in collecting like terms, remember that this thing here is a continuation of this. This thing here is a continuation. So what we have here is yj equal to 13.87 plus 0.4566 x minus 14.1519. This is supposed to be here, but because of space, we are just a kind of squeezing it. Please bear with me. So when we collect our terms, it means that minus 14.159 will bring it together with 13.87. So we are going to have minus what? 0.2859 plus this one 0.4566x. So this is our model, the model that we are looking for. Yj is equal to minus 0.2859 plus 0.4566x. All right, this is the end of the calculation of regression by hand. This is the these are the arrangement. There are other ways of calculating it. So, but this is the one that I want to show. Maybe in the next video you will see many other ways of calculating it. Thank you very much.